My friends, how are you all doing? Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video among your friends. Okay, what we're going to do first is to move this candle towards this direction. Then I'm going to move this up so I can push this a little bit in, then bring this two down. Let's start by doing what I just said. Push it this way, move that up, push it in, bring this and this down, push this key and this, bring this down, return this and this so this can go up. Watch that, take that up also, then move this up, return all three of them to the left. Now you should bring everything down. Okay, I think it will be better that way. Bring this down so this goes like this, bring this down. Okay, push it, move it up, push it in, bring this down, push it backwards, move that out of the way, and the key passes. Now let's play without talking.